Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where it is all about racing. This is a look at Richard Petty's garage and some of the cars here. I don't think these cars will be racing. I think they're just here for show, but we're going to take a look at 5 of the cars in the Petty garage over the years. My God, this one, I can't even tell you what kind of car this one is. Bobby Allison's car. Might have been an old Pontiac. No, it's a Chevrolet Monte Carlo, excuse me, my bad. Bright silver livery on the number there. And here's a cool look in the cockpit of the car. This is a 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo. You can see it right there. There's a picture of it racing. Really, really cool. I have never seen this car before. This was way before me. But nevertheless, very, very cool. Here's a Camaro, one of the more recent cars. Number 18 car. And we're going to take a look in the cockpit of this car as well. And there's a really cool look at the cockpit of the car. Very, very neat. Now they do race these cars. I don't know that this one will be racing this weekend. It might be, but I kind of doubt it since it's part of the Petty Garage Tour. And here you have one of the Dodge Intrepids. I remember when this car came out, the competitors hated it. They claimed it had big, huge aerodynamic advantages. And as you can see, it is aerodynamically a very, very cool car. Wow, this one looks like it has been gutted. But there's a look at the interior of it. Very, very cool. You notice there's some hats on there. I'm going to ask if we can have one of those. I don't know if they are for the taking. I always ask before you do. This one looks like, I think this may compete in the Trans Am series, I believe. But there's a cool look at that. And here's the number 67 car. Petty kind of copper blue color, so to speak. And as I work my way around the Dodge Intrepid, we'll take a closer. Now they've got this one up on the trailer in the lift, and it's almost higher than my head, but we'll still get a look in the cockpit there. You can kind of see what that looks like. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Good. Question: are those hats for the taking?
What's that?
Hats on the top of the car there?
I have no
Do they
idea.
first come, first serve?
We're not the ones that asked. They are.
That's the guy with the Petty hats on.
All right, I'll do that. Thank you. And here's a cool look at the side of the car. And here's a look at the hospitality area for Petty's Garage. See, they've got a Dodge Charger there, number 45 car. I wouldn't say this is a recent car. It's still a historic. Victory Junction. Now I do track laps here with Victory Junction, which they'll have next month, which is a lot of fun. I'd come back around here, guys. Let you take a look at this Petty Notice, man. And you see there's quite a crowd here. Very, very cool. Anyhow, that'll wrap up the tour for Petty's Garage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one.